You can see the levels now, but here's the truth. Most traders enter at those levels at the wrong time. Professional traders see the same levels and enter at the exact moment. The difference? Precision. One trader enters early and gets whipsawed out. Another enters late and misses half the move. A third enters at the perfect moment and catches the entire profit. Same level. Three different outcomes. This is why entry timing separates winners from losers. In this video, I'm going to show you the advanced entry techniques professionals use. And I'll show you how Claude AI helps you identify that perfect moment. By the end, you'll understand exactly when to enter. There are three ways to enter at a support level. First, the early entry. You see price falling towards support, you enter before it hits support, expecting it to bounce. This is aggressive. If price breaks through support, you're stopped out immediately. Outcome: small loss. Second, the late entry. Price bounces from support and starts rising. You wait for confirmation that it's really bouncing, but by then, half the move is gone. Outcome: small profit, but you miss the big move. Third, the perfect entry. Price touches support and shows a candle pattern confirming the bounce is happening. You enter as the bounce confirms. Outcome: you catch the entire move from support to resistance. This is the professional entry. This is what we're learning today. Perfect entries come from reading candle patterns at the level. Professional traders read candles like a language. At support, specific candle patterns tell you the bounce is happening. A pin bar at support, long wick down, small body close near the top. This tells you sellers came, found no buyers, rejected the lower price. Buyers took over. Enter an engulfing candle at support, small red candle, followed by large green candle that engulfs it. This tells you momentum just flipped. Buyers won. Enter a hammer candle at support, long wick down, small body, close in upper half. This tells you tested lower price, rejected it, closed strong. Enter. These patterns confirm what the level is telling you. They're your entry signal. When you see these patterns at the level, that's the professional entry moment. Now here's where it gets interesting. Claude AI helps you identify these patterns instantly. You don't have to spot them manually. Here's how I use Claude AI for entry precision. I take a screenshot of a chart showing price at a support level. I open Claude and ask, analyze this candle pattern at support. What does it tell me about entry timing? Claude analyzes the pattern and tells me what it sees: the wick rejection, the body size, the close position, the momentum implications. Claude says something like, this pin bar shows rejection of lower prices. The wick test support closes near the top. This signals buyers are in control. This is a professional entry signal. I didn't have to figure it out manually. Claude identified it in seconds. Let me show you a real example. I screenshot a chart with an engulfing candle at support. I ask Claude, should I enter here? Claude analyzes the candle size, the previous candle, the momentum build. Claude responds, yes, the engulfing candle shows momentum flip, small red candle, seller control, engulfed by large green, buyer takeover. This confirms entry at support. Risk is the low of the engulfing candle. Target is resistance. Now here's the profitability connection. Over 100 trades, when I enter using these Claude-assisted candle patterns, I'm profitable 70 to 85% of the time. Why? Because Claude helps me identify high probability entries. Early entries lose. Late entries win small. Perfect entries win big. Claude helps me catch the perfect entries consistently. This is how you build toward that 70 to 85% consistently profitable decision making with proper discipline, position sizing, and risk management. Claude is your entry precision assistant. Use it for every entry you're unsure about. In video 6, I'll show you how to use Claude to manage these entries and know exactly when to exit. Entry precision is the foundation of profitable trading. Early entries lose, late entries win small. Perfect entries win big. Professional traders use candle pattern recognition to identify perfect entries. Claude AI accelerates that process, helping you identify the patterns instantly. Combined with your discipline, position sizing, and risk management, this path leads to 70 to 85% consistent profitability. Video 6 shows you the other side of the equation, how to exit perfectly, how to know exactly when to take your profits. If you need specific Claude prompts for this video, look at the pinned comments. I wish you all the best in your trading journey. And if you are an advanced trader, keep looking for new updates at oristrade.com. We are building something great